What's good, everybody? Welcome to the Coin Junior channel, and today we're going to be going through some interesting news on my Twitter and also some quick updates for the week. Okay, so in Malaysia, it's Saturday now, and what we love to see is the markets are going green. Okay, every single cryptocurrency has been going green. Maybe just some of them are seeing red, but just a bit. But overall, the markets have been positive. All right. Even after the interest rate hike and also the unemployment rate has been released, but the markets are still going green. Okay, so guys, I told you so. A relief is coming. It might be a trap or it might be just a short-term relief rally, but it's good to see green. Okay, so far my analysis has have been accurate. Okay, but please still do your own research and don't just buy because it says so. All right, so let's get on with a quick recap. All right, so the market wrap: cryptos rise in an eventful week. Bitcoin hovers over 21k, Ether soars. All right, a surprisingly robust jobs report and other signals spur investors return to riskier assets. Okay, so the unemployment rate has been it's lower than expected. Alright, so the tone of the latest jobs report and other economic indicators this week sending Bitcoin to a 7-week high and other cryptos well into the green. Alright, so the latest unemployment rate has been lower than expected. Okay, so a lot of the investors are seeing this as a positive news, and that's why a lot of the people are flooding back into the riskier assets. Okay, so cryptocurrency is one of them. Okay, the largest cryptocurrency by market value was recently still around 21,000. Up about 4% for the last 24 hours over the upper end of the narrow range. It has occupied for weeks now. Okay, so for weeks, Bitcoin has been hovering over the $20,000 range and also the $21,000 range. But I think around yesterday, it broke through the $21,000 range. So this is the weekly chart. So as you can see, it has been slowly accumulating and it's still trading sideways at the moment. All right, but it has been broken slightly. Okay, so let's go back to the daily chart. This will give you a better picture, a clearer picture. All right, so as you can see, it has been like trading sideways, and until the interest rate report came in, so a lot of the people are flooding back to riskier assets. Okay, and obviously the first choice would be Bitcoin. Okay, and it's been leading the charge of rally. You can see it has broke through that 21,000 barrier, which it has been holding on for a couple of days. Okay, and it finally broke through that, and it has been just amazing to see. Okay, so the next target would be this $22,000 range, and the next one would be the $25,000 range. Okay, so in my analysis and in this macro picture that I can see right here, $25,000 will be the optimal place for Bitcoin to hit the resistance and probably hold there for a while. Okay, if Bitcoin is going to start a bull run, the $25,000 range has to be hit first. All right, and it has to be holding steady, consolidating before taking off. So that is the optimal situation that we want to enter. Okay, so far by this macroeconomics and by the macro picture right here, we still have to hit this $22,000 range right here. All right, this resistance is key. Okay, so if we're able to hit this mark and hold steady, I feel like 25,000 would be the next target, and it would be plausible. Okay, so the next one will have to be the $28,000 range. Okay, we can see the monthly chart. All right, Bitcoin has been slowly accumulating. A lot of the accumulations are coming in. So 28,000 is around right here. It will need to hold because this is the previous support back in 2021. All right, it was the end of the 2021 bull run, which sparked to the all-time high. All right, so it is still likely to happen. Okay, but please do your own research and don't just buy into it without doing any prior studies, readings, and if you don't have any picture for the macroeconomics, I suggest you to do some basic research. Okay, you don't have to dive in too deep, just surface level, and at least you get a feel of why it's happening and why is it trading like this. All right, so everything correlates for a reason. All right, so go do your research and hopefully you get to earn some money. All right, So it has been trading above the moving average, the EMAs, and it's been trading over the RSI as well. All right, a lot of accumulation coming in, and so far my analysis has been accurate so far. All right, so we still don't know what will happen. Okay, it might trigger another sell-off once we hit the $22,000 range, or it still might be a relief rally or a bull trap. All right, so do your own research, but for me 22,000 seems plausible, and it seems like a likely target that we're gonna hit. All right, so let's go back to this to the news right here. Ether, all right, Ethereum was recently changing hands above 1600, a more than 6% gain, and the first time since mid-September that the second largest cryptocurrency had topped that threshold. Other altcoins enjoyed an upbeat Friday, with Matic recently rising more than 21% and Crow up 11%. All right, so the Matic rise, this is one of the reasons why Matic was rising really hard. Okay, one of it was the release of the Avail testnet. All right, and this is the second reason, may stem from Web2 giants Meta, which is the parent company of Facebook. This decision to launch a toolkit allowing users of social media platform Instagram to mint and sell Polygon powered NFTs. All right, so it enjoyed a major bull, I would say a bull run. All right, but it's not a bull run, it's just like a spike in prices. And there's another news that I read about Polygon, which also spiked a really big price increase yesterday. I'm gonna put this news right here, all right, because I forgot about it, and I think it has to do with Morgan Chase or JP Morgan with Polygon. All right, so I'm gonna put it right here. All right, so I'm sorry. Okay, so let's take a look at the next news. The crypto market spike followed the unexpectedly robust jobs report, showing that US payrolls added 261,000 jobs in October. All right, so there's more people with jobs as compared to people without jobs. Okay, I don't know if this report is true or not, but it's still considered a positive news for investors and for retail investors and for people who are interested in the investing in markets. But it is what it is. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Recent moving average crossover may signal higher Bitcoin prices this month. All right, October, November, and December, which is Q4, it tends to be the best month for crypto markets. Okay, the markets tend to rally around this month. Okay, so a crossover of the 10 and 50-day moving averages has historically been a positive signal. BTC's lack of volatility, however, may interfere. Right, so because Bitcoin is still trading relatively sideways, so even if it's trading above the moving averages, the sideways and the lack of volatility still might work against Bitcoin. Okay, so because it is still unclear and unsure where the direction will go, but so far it has been going up first. Okay, so this is why I'm stressing the $22,000 range. Okay, I'll be always stressing this $22,000 range. Okay, if we can't hit this resistance right here, and if we are stuck around like the 21,000 and then another sell-off occurs, we will probably see back $18,000 or even $17,000. Okay, but so far it is on track and it is on the path towards the $22,000 range. Okay, so following each occurrence, BTC's price increased by 3% on average for every 7 days. Bitcoin prices were about 10% higher on average for 30-day periods following the same signal. Okay, and this one right here is important for us to understand. Whether this holds true for the most recent crossover is uncertain. Friday's prices would need to breach 21,216 to maintain a prior 7-day average. Okay, it is to make sure that the prices are aligned with the moving averages, which means the prices are going up. The prices are going as expected. Okay, so to align with the past 30-day performances, prices will need to approach 22,615. See, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, so if they are able to reclaim the $22,000 range, it will probably the next target will be 28,000. Okay, which will probably spark a bull run. All right, but the lack of volatility is still concerning. Okay, and the macroeconomic picture is still kind of unclear, because countries are defaulting. A lot of people are just doing kind of bad at the moment. So we will have to see. Okay, so let's take a look at the entire cryptocurrency market. All right, it has been going green. A lot of slight dips, but a lot of increases. Okay, you can see in just one day, 5%, 6.34% for Ethereum, Binance, BNB, Binance Coin, doing amazing. XRP almost hitting 50%. It did hit 50%, okay, because it's dropped a bit. Dogecoin, favorite meme coin, okay. Cardano has been going insane as well. Okay, a lot of just slight dips. All right, just slight dips. It probably just like a okay, chill out. You chill out. The prices are going too high, and then buy. Okay, so there will be another increase. I'm pretty sure Polygon, beautiful. $1.22. All right, I've been preaching about Polygon hitting $1 around these 2 months, and it did. All right, so I'm so proud of myself because my analysis has been coming true. Hey, let's go. Shiba Coin going up. All right, a lot of coins, Avalanche, are every cryptocurrency seeing green. Okay, we love to see it. Absolutely love to see it. Okay, so we're just gonna go through my Twitter real quick because I saw some interesting news that okay, this one is interesting. Okay, we're not gonna look at this one. Okay, I saw one. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, what's your prediction? Okay, so the next US Consumer Price Index will happen on the 10th of November, okay, which is an indication of the current inflation rate in the US, okay. If the inflation rate is lower than expected, okay, the markets will rally. It is simple as that, okay, which means that prices are going down. People are more willing to head into the risky assets, okay. So please take note, these are all the major events that have happened in the United States. So the next one will be on the 10th of November, which is the CPI, Consumer Price Index. Okay, so let's take a look. Yep, this is me right now without okay, so payment giant MasterCard has added 7 startups to its Start Path program to make cryptocurrency more accessible. We love to see it, okay? More adoption, more people are interested in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. It is just amazing to see, okay? And there's another one that this is President Biden says Elon Musk purchased a social media platform that spills lies all across the world. Well, if there's more lies, there will be more truths as well. All right, think about it, okay? So China aims for metaverse to reach mainstream status. Okay, good luck, guys. Okay, this is the one. Fidelity Investments is launching a service to allow retail investors to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum commission-free, guys. Commission-free. Commission-free. Okay, so a lot of the traditional investors, retail investors, will get to invest in cryptocurrencies commission-free. And it's just Bitcoin and Ethereum, but still, okay, they talk to cryptocurrencies, but it's still amazing. People will be interested, and a lot of the adoptions are kicking in, and this is why the prices are just gonna go green. Okay, the more adoption we get, the more faster we can enjoy this technology. All right, so with that being said, thank you guys for watching. All right, please like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that bell for more updated videos, and please follow my Twitter. And thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna keep updating news and the markets, all right, so you guys don't miss out. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, peace.